If you're looking for an in-depth Vitamix E520 versus E310 comparison, then this video is for you. I'll explain all the differences between the Vitamix E310 and the Vitamix E520 so that you know which product is most worth buying. Just make sure to click the links in the description box below to see the most up-to-date pricing information. Both the Vitamix E310 and E520 sport a sleek, modern design that'll look great on your countertop. Weight-wise, there's a small difference. The E310 weighs 10.5 pounds, while the E520 is slightly lighter at 10.2 pounds. You'll hardly notice the difference when moving them around. Both models feature sturdy, BPA-free containers. The E310 has a 48-ounce jar, perfect for small to medium batches. The E520 ups the ante with a 64-ounce container. Ideal if you're blending for a larger crowd. Both models boast Vitamix's signature build quality with durable plastic bases and easy-to-use control panels. You'll appreciate the simplicity of the E310's interface, while the E520 offers a few extra bells and whistles. More on that in a minute. Another difference is that the Vitamix E310 has a 5-year warranty, whereas the E520 has a 7-year guarantee. When it comes to blending power, both the Vitamix E310 and E520 pack a punch. Both the E310 and E520 boast a 2.2 horsepower motor. However, based on my testing, the E520 is noticeably louder than the E310, which could be a big deal for a lot of people. Besides the noise difference, container size is another key distinction. The E310 comes with a 48-ounce jar, perfect for small to medium households or limited counter space. The E520, on the other hand, offers a larger 64-ounce container, ideal for bigger batches or families. Speed control is similar on both models, with a variable speed dial allowing you to fine-tune your blends. The E520 takes it a step further, though, by including pre-programmed settings for common blending tasks, adding convenience to your kitchen routine. Although, in my opinion, these programs aren't quite worth the extra cost. In terms of versatility, the E520 has a slight edge. Its larger capacity and pre-programmed settings make it more adaptable to a wider range of recipes and quantities. However, if you want to save some money and enjoy quieter blending, I recommend going with the tried and tested Vitamix E310. The Vitamix E310 and E520 differ primarily in their container sizes. You'll find the E310 equipped with a 48-ounce container, perfect for small to medium households or those who prefer making single servings. In contrast, the E520 boasts a larger 64-ounce container, giving you more room to blend larger batches. This extra capacity comes in handy when you're preparing meals for a family or entertaining guests. Of course, you can always upgrade the E310 with a 64-ounce container and many other accessories at a later date if you want more blending capacity. Both containers are made of BPA-free plastic and feature the same durable construction Vitamix is known for. When it comes to controls, the Vitamix E310 and E520 have some key differences. The E310 features simple, straightforward controls with a speed dial and pulse switch. You'll find it super easy to adjust blending speed on the fly. The E520, on the other hand, offers more advanced options. It includes preset programs for common blending tasks like smoothies and hot soups. This can be handy if you prefer a more automated approach, although making smoothies and soups with the E310 is really easy as well. The E520's preset programs can save you time and effort. However, some users might prefer the E310's simpler interface. It really comes down to your personal blending style and preferences. Keeping your Vitamix blender clean is crucial for its longevity and performance. Both the E310 and E520 models are easy to maintain with self-cleaning features that make your life easier. For daily cleaning, simply add warm water and a drop of dish soap to your blender container. Run it on high for 30-60 seconds and rinse thoroughly. This quick method works well for both models. The E310's 48-ounce container is slightly easier to handle during cleaning due to its smaller size. When it comes to accessories, the Vitamix E520 has a slight edge over the E310. At the time this video was created, you'll find the E520 comes with a pair of handy tumblers and straws, perfect for taking your smoothies on the go. These aren't included with the E310. Although there are no fancy attachments included, you'll be pleased to know that both blenders do come with a tamper, which helps push ingredients towards the blades, ensuring a smooth blend every time. And with that said, I really hope my Vitamix E310 versus E520 comparison helped you choose the right blender for you. While I think the E310 offers better value overall, the E520, while definitely not as popular, is still a good option for those seeking a quality blender for their kitchen.